feel something building up inside me. I must prepare, I must get ready. Serving you, Yahweh, keep me
So
strong and
today
steady.
we're gonna check out how Kitty is doing.
Yes.
We made a stall
We made a stall for her yesterday.
in the clubhouse. So I don't know if this is the first. Yes, we see you, Bam Bam. Yes, I know. You like the grooming glove, don't you? Yeah. So I think this might be the world's. No, that's too much. Combined stable and house. The world's Alabama's first cub house stable.
Alabama's first, yes. That's
Alabama's
that's
first
genius.
cub. Okay, let's go and check it out, shall we? So what else happened today? We woke up last night. I woke up, you woke up,
Yes.
and both times, just odd things that happen. Oops, car coming by. The door was wide open.
Yes.
We locked it before we go to bed. We always do. And I woke up and the door was wide open. And there was a car behind us. That's also typical. Hang on. And then a couple of hours later, what happens? After I woke up and I closed the door.
Oh, I get up and the door's wide open again. And it was locked. I was like, that's strange. And I pulled it, clicked, and then I woke up again this morning and it was open again.
Oh, Jim, Michael came.
Yes.
And we're here.
Yes.
Hi, Kitty Poo. How are you doing in your cub house stall? Are you having fun yet? You're looking very pretty.
Yes.
Okay, let's go and check her out. Okay, so like it was raining buckets yesterday. Is she dry in there?
Yeah, Spock's in here.
Spock is my rooster baby. So there's Spock in the roosting place. Hi, kitty girl. How did you have fun last night, baby? So this is the cub house. This used to be like a greenhouse section. There. I know, Spock. So here's our stable. Hi, Mr. Italian. Good morning. I know. Oh, Spock, did you take Mr. Italian's girl? And here she comes. So she goes on her spot up on top of the hill here. I don't know why horses like to be on the top of the hill. Yeah, she's such a good girl. She's such a good girl. She loves her daddy so much. Yeah, Anna's done good with her. Yeah, so this is it. And it worked pretty well. Yeah, the chickens usually lay eggs up there in the corner. So, yeah, it worked. So what's your verdict, Daniel?
What?
What's your verdict?
It's very nice. I think we're going to have to clean it out once a day. But
Yeah, that's why we're going to make a compost bin right now. Hi, good morning, Spock. I know. Good morning to you too, baby. Yes. Good job. So Pearlot loves Daniel. Gonna do it like he's gonna walk on the wall again. And now, of course, he wants to help to do the camera, of course. So these are our new support beams for the cubby hole. It's like old wood that I sanded yesterday, and I put wood conditioner on it. But can you tell how much it rained? It actually whipped the dust from the ground all the way up here. Can you imagine? But I'm gonna let it dry out a lot, and then I'm probably gonna put some more wood conditioner on it again, and maybe some blue stand. We'll see. Yes. Kitty is so cute. She's sharing her food with the chickens. She's a good horsey.
took a nice picture there.
Yes, I took a picture instead of pushing the video button. So, the day of funny things. The door opening in the night and everything, and rain from nowhere. Yes.
Yes, rain when there's no blue skies above us. So, okay.
Hi, babies. I guess we're blessed, baby.
Yes.
No, not a sky, not a cloud in the sky, but hey, we get rained on.
Mm-hmm.
Guess it's a cleansing or something. Funny day.
Funny day.
So, lunchtime. Where are your hands and feet and we're marching? Where are your hands and feet and we're marching? Ha 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 ha. Do that again.
Anything.
I asked if he wanted to say anything.
Anything.
And he said anything.
Yeah,
Okay.
anything.
Yeah. Are we making coffee?
Yes, I'm making coffee.
I think I need coffee. Yes.
So no age in the dead need coffee. Ha!
Yes. Yes. No. There is no such thing. We turn into instant. Oh, I can't say zombies. We need coffee. It's our antidote. What can I say?
Keeps me strong and
Hey,
steady.
hey everybody. Welcome to GoForGreenLiving. And GreenHippies. Yes. I'm Daniel. That's Ruts. We are here today sharing a little bit of soup and Ruts pumpkin bread.
So Daniel, how was the Lineville giveaway?
It was fantastic. People were fantastic. I mean, we had a fantastic time. I'm not kidding.
So who invited us to come and
First United Methodist Church of Lineville invited us to set up there to give away our soup, and we've had some of their congregation, and we were across the street from the Pearland. We had a blast. It's really fun too.
It was awesome. Mm-hmm. So where are we going to do it next?
I'm not sure yet, but we'll keep you posted.
We have a suggestion, but we're praying over it as usual, letting God lead the way. So how many did we give away this time?
I would say roughly about 80. You say about 71, but I'd say about 80.
Yeah, because it's like some got more pumpkin bread and oh yeah, tell them what we served.
We served chicken noodle soup, turkey soup, and
they could choose, right?
Yes, they could choose which one they wanted, and pumpkin bread.
Yeah.
And our friends, they bought drinks, and everybody could pick from drinks.
Yeah, these guys. They help us because it's like a good project, and it's so rewarding to see so many people with genuine happy faces, and just it's an awesome paid forward if you ask me. Mm-hmm. So, Chef, what is on the menu for the next one?
Ooh, I'm thinking some kind of cabbage soup. So.
Oh yeah, and do you want to spice it up again this time, like we like to do it?
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah, because it's really yummy. Oh my gosh, my mouth is watering. Okay, so stay tuned on GreenHippies.org for the next food giveaway. This is Marie. She gave us some pumpkin seeds to share. But Bill and Amber, they've been doing awesome, helping us out. They helped us to go and give the meals away, and they were there. They bought the drinks for the food giveaway. Bless their hearts. They're awesome people.
Hey everybody, welcome.
There was a big line, 10 minutes ago.
Yes,
so we're having a little break between the churches.
Wonderful.
And we got blessed with Marie giving us seeds from the pumpkin. So we will try to have fresh pumpkin for the next pumpkin. Yes, it was awesome.
We'll have lots of
But I'll go for green living.
So, there you go.
I feel something building up inside me. I must prepare, I must get ready. Serving you, Yahweh, keeps me strong and steady. For you, Lord, I'll go